Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we have a new pair of wireless earbuds to review on my desk. They are truly wireless earbuds made by Boult Audio and are called the Twinpods. That's quite a nice name. You can see a picture of the Twinpods here. And these earbuds are a Myntra exclusive product. Let's see what's at the back side. You can see a picture of the earbuds here, and they also come with a charging case. That's a good thing. You can charge them on the go even while traveling. You've got the product info at the bottom. The model is called Twinpods. They come in neon green and grey color. The price on the box says 8,330 rupees, but they're available for only 2,900 rupees on Myntra. So that's it, there's nothing else written at the back side. Oh, you've got some features written over here. They're passive noise cancellation type. They produce deep bass and 3D acoustics. Comes with a charging case. Has a built-in mic. You can use them even as individual earbuds, and they are super lightweight. So those were its features. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this outer packing. I want to thank Boult Audio for sending me this product for review purpose. Alright, let me tear this packing and take the box out. The box looks very simple guys. It's not that special for the price what you're paying. The company should have gone for a better box packing. So here is the box. The outer cover slides out like this. And we've got a simple black box here. Let's unbox it and check it out. Looks like we've got some paperwork at the top. It's a user manual. Just make sure to read it as it has complete info on the product. And here are the Boult Twinpods. They come in this carry case. The case looks nice. It's made of metal and I really like the charcoal grey color. We'll just keep it aside for now and see what else to get in the box. You get a USB cable for charging the carry case and a pair of extra ear tips. They come in only one size. So these were all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the Twinpods. The Twinpods come in this carry case. The build quality is very good. It's made of aluminum alloy and you've got the Boult Audio branding at the center. You also have a video tutorial QR code here. And on the right side you've got a micro USB port for charging this case and a rubber flap above that to open up the case. Let me open it and show you. So here are the Boult Twinpods. I like the color scheme going on here. The Twinpods are truly wireless earbuds. You can use them together or also use them as individual monopods. Let me take them out and show you. So this is how they look like. Very tiny. They look attractive. The build quality is nice. The body looks like it's made of metal, but that's actually plastic. You've got the Boult Audio logo on both the earbuds and a big multifunction button at the center. And if you observe carefully, there's also a tiny LED indicator at the middle of the button. This is how the backside looks like. You got the charging contacts and the neon green silicone ear tips. These earbuds also have a mic, so you can even receive and answer calls on them. And the Twinpods connect magnetically to the case guys. You just need to bring them close and they sit automatically in the slots. And whenever you put them in the case, they start charging. You can see a red LED indicator glowing on the earbuds. And these earbuds sit very firmly in the case. There is no chance they're gonna fall out. Alright, now let me tell you how to pair them and connect with your phone. What you need to do is press and hold the multifunction button for a few seconds until both the earbuds flash in red and blue alternatively. Now once you get in the stage, just wait for some time as both the earbuds will pair with each other. When they successfully pair with each other, this is how the LEDs will blink like. Now you're ready to connect them to your phone. Just turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for them in the settings and tap on Boult Twinpod to connect with them. And that's it guys, you're all ready to use them. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Boult Twinpods are very lightweight and comfortable for long time usage. They won't fall off that easily even while running, and the noise isolation is also good. But I'm not sure if they are sweat proof as the company has not specified anything about that. Talking about the audio quality is good. The mids are crisp and clear. The bass is really good on it. You can feel that punch in the bass. I didn't expect that from this tiny size, but the treble quality was average. I felt it was a bit harsh. The TRHD was also less, up to 80% volume level, but you can feel slight distortion when you go beyond that. And the audio output was really high on it. I couldn't go beyond 70% volume level. The quality of the mic was also good during call conversations. Now let's talk about the charging and the battery life. The battery life was decent. I was getting about 6 hours of music playtime at 70% volume level, and the standby time was around 2 days. To charge these earbuds, you just need to place them in the case and they start charging automatically. The charging time was around 1.5 hours, and this case can charge your Twinpods up to 3 times. So that was my review on the Boult Audio's Twinpods. They're good, truly wireless earbuds. The build quality is nice, the audio quality is good, and the battery life is also decent. The only thing I didn't like is both the earbuds are so identical, you'll definitely get confused which is left and which is right. There are also no indications on them. And also the price could have been a bit lower. They're available for about 2,900 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.